So I wanted to make this video detailing what I did here. Now I have smart switches all over the house. And to give you an example, this is a typical smart switch. This is the Wi-Fi version. I also have in my home the Zigbee or Z-Wave version. Now, for example, I would have to buy one of each of these to replace a 3-gang light socket. And they would be in there, all three of these lined up. Takes up a lot of space. And to get a good light switch, you're gonna pay about 50 bucks for every light switch that you have. These run about 48, I'm just gonna say on average 50 bucks for each one of these. And what's great about these is I would have to buy 3 of these at $50 a piece when you can go and buy this one piece for, I want to say it's like 120 bucks or something like that. So it's actually cheaper to go with one of these along with the convenience, because all these extra wires that you have here, a million wires. When you add 3 of these, look how many wires that you're having. This eliminates a lot of wires. Half of the wires will be gone. So it is a great product, and they are on my smart home system. I have Google Assistant, and I also have Alexa, which these are all connected. And every light and fixture in here, I have a vent that's connected to it. I have a heater that's connected to it, and I also have this LED ceiling mount light connected. This light is connected. I haven't changed it out, but it eventually will be LED also. And also I have my niche light and my ceiling mount LED light all connected to this system here. So it's a smart bathroom. You're in here and you really don't need to talk to it to turn it on, because it's just right there. But what I like about it is I have grandkids and nieces and nephews who will come in here and leave lights on, and I don't have to come way across the room or the house to cut lights off. I can either tell Alexa or Google to do it, or I can just use my phone. Also, this is a guest bathroom, so not so much for me, but when you want to in the winter months, when I have it cool in here, you can heat the bathroom up prior to coming in here, taking a bath. So, and that's without changing the thermostat here, which is also a smart thermostat. Without changing that for the rest of the house, you can warm up the bathroom with this prior to coming in here, because you have this. I'm going to leave a link down in the description, a message part that offers I think it's a 15% discount. It's crazy. I couldn't find any discount codes or anything, but as soon as I buy it, they send me a discount code. And it was just really jacked up. I've already bought it. The discount code doesn't help me unless I buy more. So far, so good with these. They're really cool. They come in different colors, and the intensity and the color of these lights in here can be changed. I'm going to keep it simple and leave it like this. But anyway, this is part of my smart home stuff that I'm going to have throughout the entire house, that I have it out throughout the entire house. The master bathroom is going to really make this look like a builder grade, low end bathroom compared to what you're going to see in the master. Stay tuned.